Have you ever wished for a lipstick shade that perfectly matched your mood? Imagine having the power to create a color that is uniquely yours, tailored to your every whim and fancy. Or dreamed of creating your own signature lip color, a shade that no one else has, a color that stands out in a crowd and speaks volumes about your personality. DIY Lipstick makes it possible. With just a few ingredients and some creativity, you can craft a lipstick that is truly one of a kind. It's easier than you think to become your own makeup artist. You don't need a professional studio or expensive tools, just a passion for beauty and a little bit of patience. Get ready to dive into a world of color and creativity. Experiment with different shades, textures, and finishes to find the perfect combination that suits you. Welcome back to Glowenvy, your go-to spot for beauty experiments, glam DIYs, and all the best tips and tricks. If you love getting creative with makeup, hit that subscribe button because today we're crafting the perfect lipstick. Making your own lipstick is like a fun science experiment in your kitchen. You get to play with colors and ingredients, mixing and matching until you find the perfect formula. Plus, you control the ingredients. You can choose natural, organic components that are good for your lips and the environment. No harsh chemicals, just natural goodness for your lips. Imagine the peace of mind knowing exactly what you're putting on your skin. Get ready to impress yourself with your own custom lipstick. It's not just makeup. It's a statement of your creativity and individuality. Every great lipstick starts with a solid foundation. The base is the heart of your lipstick, providing the structure and texture that make it feel luxurious on your lips. Our base recipe is simple, but mighty. It's designed to give you the perfect balance of firmness and smoothness. We'll be using beeswax, candelilla wax, and castor oil. These ingredients are carefully chosen for their unique properties. Beeswax provides a natural hold. It helps the lipstick maintain its shape and gives it a firm texture. Candelilla wax adds a smooth, glossy finish. It's what makes your lipstick glide on effortlessly. Castor oil brings the moisture, keeping your lips soft and hydrated. It ensures that your lipstick feels comfortable all day long. First, measure out the beeswax, candelilla wax, and castor oil. Precision is key to achieving the perfect consistency. Gently melt them together in a double boiler. This method ensures even melting without burning the ingredients. Stir until the mixture is smooth. This step is crucial for a uniform texture in your final product. This is the base for your custom lipstick. With this foundation, you can now add colors and scents to create your perfect shade. Now comes the fun part, choosing your color. Whether you're looking for something bold and vibrant or soft and subtle, the choice is yours. Use mica powders for vibrant shades. These powders are perfect for creating eye-catching colors that really pop. Iron oxides offer natural, earthy tones. They are ideal for achieving more muted, natural looks that blend seamlessly with your skin tone. A tiny pinch goes a long way, so add gradually. Start with a small amount and build up the intensity to your liking. Want a bright pink? Add a pinch of pink mica powder. This will give you a vibrant, playful hue that's perfect for making a statement. Prefer a subtle nude? A touch of brown iron oxide will do the trick. This will create a more understated, elegant look. Mix well and check the color on your hand. This ensures that the shade is exactly what you want before applying it. Keep experimenting until you find your perfect shade. The possibilities are endless, so have fun and let your creativity shine. Once you're happy with your color, it's time to pour. Carefully pour the melted lipstick mixture into your chosen mold. Small silicone molds or even empty lip balm tubes work perfectly. Let your lipstick cool and harden completely. Once it's solid, pop it out of the mold. And there you have it, your very own DIY lipstick. Apply it like any other lipstick and enjoy your custom creation. If you loved this DIY adventure, don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications so you never miss another Glowenvy beauty experiment. See you in the next one.